Hello there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ruth Isaac, and today I'll be showing you how to create YouTube thumbnails on your phone using Canva. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button to support your girl. Alright, so you must have downloaded the app on your phone. However, you need the internet to be able to access this app. So you click on the app. This is the interface that pops up. We have a wide range of different designs there for different purposes. There's the one for Facebook, Instagram posts, logos, invitations, posters, a wide range of them that you can select from for any purpose at all. But today we are going to focus on the YouTube thumbnail. So you just click, you just search for YouTube thumbnail, and then it gives you, right? So I'm just going to type in the YouTube thumbnail. You click on it, and then you see different designs that you can actually creatively customize for yourself. Okay, so I'm just going to pick one of them and customize it. Okay, so I'm gonna go with this one. Some of them you're gonna see free on it, and the ones that are not free you will have to pay to access them, so note that. Okay, so I'm gonna customize this design now to what I want it to be, to my own personal channel at YouTube thumbnail rather. Okay, so I'm gonna click on the portion where the picture is. So when you click on it, it will direct you to your photos, and then you get to select whichever photo you want to use for that thumbnail. Okay, so I'm just going to select this one. Then you can zoom it in or out, depends on what you want. So I'm going to zoom it in and place it the way I want it. There you have it. Okay, so now to the text. You can write whatever you want. So I'm just going to write quarantine hairstyles, say. Okay, all right, after that then you can design the text. Okay, you can choose the text design that you want. So there are various text formats. Some of them have crowns in front of them. Those ones you have to pay for them to access them. However, there are quite a lot of them that you don't have to pay for, and they're really good enough. So I'm just gonna select one of them, and let me just use the one that was there before. Okay, so now we're gonna reduce the font size so that it can be in the design. If you like, you can remove that design where the text is on top. If you like, you can remove the design, and if you like, you can leave it there. You can as well change the color of the text as well, and the background of the text also. Okay, so yeah, I'm trying to adjust now the background of that text. Just click on it, and then you can work on it as well. You can reduce the opacity, or you can just make it the way you want it, and then you can change the color. I think I'm going to change the color so it can just go with the general color of the design. I think red is okay. I'll go for red. Yes. All right, so, and that's it. That is all you need to know about, this design. So you go ahead and save. You see the arrow up there, and then it will prepare a design, and that's it. Your design is saved into your phone, so you can go check it in your album. And that is it right there. We got a beautiful thumbnail. Yay. Okay, so I'm quickly gonna do another one. I'm gonna do another design so that you can see. So I'm just gonna close this one and pick up one more. And your designs are also saved in the application, just in case you need it anytime, or you need the same design to redesign it for another, for another ad. You can always go back to it. Okay, so I'm going to pick another design. I think I've used this one a lot of times, so I'm going to use that one again so you can see how. Okay, so same way, select. So you click on the picture area, and then you go to your photos and you select the picture that you want to use. Let me just go select one makeup kind of picture. Okay, yeah. So you move it and adjust it until it fits perfectly, right? And then you click on the text and you type in how to fix your false lashes. Okay, perfect. So you can change the color to whatever color you want, but I think this color is fair enough. You can also change the font style. Yeah, I mentioned earlier, those ones that have crown in front of them, you have to pay to be able to access them. Okay, so we got that done already. You can adjust it, zoom it in or out until you are comfortable with your design. Alright, so yeah, I think I want to change the color a little bit. Yes. Okay, so this design in the middle is also movable. You can put it anywhere you want, or you can delete it if you don't want it, but I want it there, so I'm just gonna leave it there just for you to know that there are a lot of things you can actually move in this application. Alright, so that's it. I'm just gonna adjust this picture more a little bit. Okay, perfect. So you save, and that's it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it was helpful. So you're gonna increase or level up your thumbnail games and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. See you in my next video. Bye.